Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful, stunning look. So if you want to see this look, then just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to start with is I'm just going to take a little primer on my eyelids, and I'm going to use this AOA Perfect eyeshadow primer. Just swipe a little bit of that onto the lids, and then I just blend it out with my fingers. Now I'm going to take my eyeliner, and this is the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's just a mechanical liner. Because of my hooded eye situation, I will go a little bit above where my crease is. So you can see here, I'm going to go just right here. I'm going to use this Milani Bold Obsessions palette, and I'm just going to go into this black shade and set everything. I'm going to take this Super Cat liquid eyeliner, like eyeliner pen from Soap and Glory. It's just a felt tipped eyeliner from Soap and Glory, and I'm just gonna do this little tip here. Okay, so now we have that nice little there. Now I'm going to be using this Prism Cream eyeshadow, and this is just their white shade. I'm just going to take a little bit of this on the back of my hand, and then just take like a packing brush like this. And the effect that I was going for was more packed sprinkles on the inside, and then kind of blending it out as it came to the end here. So let's okay, so I'm just gonna stop it right there so that there's a little bit more black just left over. This is a professional contour brush by e.l.f. And then I'm just taking that black shadow on that brush and just kind of bringing out the edges, like bringing that black out. Kind of just smoking it out. So that seems nice and blended out to me. Then I'm just going to take another small brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here and blend those two shades together, just to create like a nice gradient effect, and just switching back and forth until you get the effect that you want. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with how that looks. With this e.l.f. pen again, and just do some tight lining. I'm going to finish the rest of my face, and then I'm going to do the lower lash line so I can show you guys what I did. So I did some face makeup, I finished the other eye. Let's just finish the lower lash line, and I'm just taking this palette and going in with this shade. That was the shade that we used to blend out underneath, and I'm just taking it on this big brush from Wet n Wild, starting here, and I'm just blending out here. And just kind of blending up and then blending out like that. Just like that. Now I'll just do a little bit of mascara and then we are going to be finished. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video of my little tutorial here on how to do this very flamboyant, very Black Swan, very party look. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Awkward. Please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And leave comments below. Okay. See you guys in my next video. Bye.